There's nothing quite like the beauty of nature, and nothing quite like exploring it through travel. Welcome to our video on travel and nature. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just starting out, there's an endless amount of incredible experiences waiting for you in the great outdoors. From the majestic peaks of mountains to the crystal-clear waters of rivers and lakes, nature is full of awe-inspiring sights and sounds that will leave you breathless. And it's not just about sightseeing. There are plenty of opportunities to get active and enjoy the great outdoors in your own way. Whether you prefer hiking, camping, kayaking, or simply relaxing in a natural setting, there's something for everyone. Traveling in nature provides a unique opportunity to connect with locals and learn about their way of life. So whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a little bit of both, travel and nature go hand in hand. Get out there and explore for yourself and discover all the incredible wonders that the natural world has to offer.